Hello and thank you for watching. In this short video, we are going to go over the notes and the fingering, both hands separately and hands together for an F major scale. This is one of the final white key scales. However, it has different fingering because of how the black keys lie in the right hand. So we'll go over that in a minute. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to figure out the notes of the F major scale using the solfège formula above. So do to re is going to be a whole step. Re to mi, another whole step. Mi to fa is a half step. You see on the piano, the half steps are the very next key, whole step. Fa, so, whole steps on the piano are skipping one key. So to la, la, ti, whole step, and ti to do. This is a white key to white key half step. So the notes for our F major scale are F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. So we're going to start with a technique called clumping, which means grouping the notes together before there's a cross under or a cross over on the way down. So this is where we get into the different fingering for the key of F. If you'd notice, our standard fingering has been 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if we used 1, 2, 3 fingering in this, then our thumb would have to go on that black key, which is really awkward for the hand. So this is going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4 fingering, and then we're going to end on finger 4. So clumping is going to look like this. We start with the thumb, then we're going to do 2, 3, 4, thumb under, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2. Let's do that one more time. Thumb under. I call this the 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4. They all add up to 8. 3 plus 5 adds up to 8. Now we'll do it one at a time. Thumb under 4, back down, cross over with 4. Now let's do the same thing with the left hand with the clumping. Left hand has standard fingering because if you notice, my thumb is not here on the black key, it's going to be finger 2. So we can clump this as we've clumped the other scales in the past. 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, thumb, 2, 3, thumb, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. Here is the left hand, one at a time. Cross with 3. Back down. Thumb under, 3. Now when we try to put our hands together for F major, it's actually kind of convenient because the way the fingering works, the thumbs are playing together. So you don't have to think about one hand crossing, then the other hand crossing. This one, when you get to your thumb, they're going to be at the same time here on C. So you see what I mean in just a second. We're going to do it very slowly with rhythm so we can think about what's coming next. So we'll play the first two, do to re. What's coming next? Thumb comes under, left hand finger 3 is going to come over. And then here we are at the top. It's coming back down. What's coming next? Left hand thumb under finger 3, right hand finger 4, over, and then we finish. Here it is one at a time. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. Half step between do and ti, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step, whole. Thank you for watching this short video on the notes and the fingering for a 1 octave F major scale. I hope that you found it helpful, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel for more videos on piano technique. Thanks again for watching.